Hey everyone, welcome to Technomatica. Today, we're diving into the TIOBE Index for October 2025, the go-to ranking for tracking the popularity of programming languages. Curious about which language is dominating, who's climbing, or who's dropping? Stick around. We'll break down the numbers, explore the trends, and see what it all means for you, whether you're a newbie coder or a seasoned pro. Let's get started. For those new to this, the TIOBE Index is a monthly ranking of programming languages based on their popularity. How do they measure it? By tracking searches on engines like Google, Bing, and Wikipedia, plus activity on platforms like Stack Overflow and GitHub. It's a snapshot of what's hot in the dev world. In October 2025, we've got some big surprises, rock-solid leaders, unexpected climbers, and trends tied to AI and embedded systems. Let's jump in. Let's start with the top 10. At number 1, no shock here, Python, holding strong with 24.45% of the share. Why is Python untouchable? Its simplicity and versatility for web dev, data science, and especially AI. Think machine learning with frameworks like TensorFlow. But heads up, it's down slightly by 0.5% from September. A sign of slowing down. We'll circle back to that. In second place, a big twist. C overtakes C++ with 9.29%. C is gaining ground thanks to the C23 update, which boosts speed and simplicity for embedded systems. C++ at 8.79% is slipping a bit, but still shines for gaming and performance-critical apps. Next, Java holds steady at number 4, followed by C#, riding the .NET wave for app development. JavaScript remains a web dev staple, but here's a shocker. SQL storms back into the top 10. Why? The explosion of data analytics is making relational databases cool again. And a moment of silence for Perl, which just dropped out of the top 10. Sorry, old-school script fans. Over the past year, Python's up 2.55%, C is soaring, and languages like Rust and Go are steadily climbing, thanks to their focus on security and performance. So, what does this mean for you? First off, Python is the language to learn if you're starting out. Data science, AI, automation. It's everywhere. But if you're into embedded systems or high-performance apps, C and Rust are strong bets. C's rise shows that solid fundamentals never go out of style. For pros, keep an eye on SQL. With data exploding, mastering databases is a huge asset. And for web devs, JavaScript and frameworks like React or Vue.js remain must-haves. One big trend, AI, is shaping everything. Python dominates because of its AI libraries, but Rust is gaining for its memory safety, perfect for Web3 or IoT projects. Quick tip, don't put all your eggs in one basket. In 2025, being versatile is key. Learn Python for AI, but check out Rust or C for systems programming. And honestly, SQL is a must-have skill. So, what's on the horizon for 2026? Python will likely stay on top, but the competition is heating up. Rust could break into the top 5 if its community keeps growing. AI will continue to boost languages tailored for machine learning. And with quantum computing advances, keep an eye on languages like Q in the coming years. Security will also be huge. After this year's massive NPM supply chain attack, devs are leaning towards safer ecosystems like Dino or Rust. and that's the TIOBE index for October 2025. Python's king, C's making waves, and AI is reshaping the dev world. Which language are you excited to learn or dive deeper into? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech updates. See you next time, and happy coding!